Well, I'm in a natural environment and you expect some noise in the background, which are unavoidable, as you can see, just in my backyard at home. A few days ago, we shared an article from the Daily Monitor which talks about Balaalo returning. Migrant cattle keepers have returned, that's what they called, and their number is up to 131 migrant cattle keepers who have returned to Amuru district. The total number of livestocks are up to 427,000 plus total livestocks. Now the breakdown of these livestocks, for those who did not get the chance, because that video of mine had some audio challenge, of which I apologize for that, but then this is now the breakdown. 102,700 cattle, they entered with 208,000 goats, they entered with 34,000 sheep and 83,000 pigs. Well, they have also made cattle previously. To review about this, the Balaalo have made a total of 237 cattle, and in Atiak they have made 106 kraal. That is the breakdown. In Lakang they made 40 kraals, in Opara they made 36 kraals, and in Pogo they made 33 kraals. In Laima, they made a total of 22 kraals, making it a summation of a total of 237 kraals. Now, land occupied, some cattle keepers have occupied total land areas of 10,000 hectares of government land acquired from the Amuru sugar project. So they are occupying the land which the government acquired for Amuru sugar project, and then the term of sub-counties which are involved include Opara, Pogo, Atiak, Lakang and Laima. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sub-counties who are involved. Now, Nile Post have made an article yesterday, and here 8 things you must know about the article made by the Nile Post. The first one is road blockage. A cattle keeper in Opara sub-county of Amuru district has blocked a public road requiring residents to seek permission to pass. If you see from the picture that was posted, that picture on the screen, it clearly shows that this road is an all-bound surface weather road, I think, and it is a community access road, the way I can see. So it has been by the migrant cattle keepers. The second thing that you must know is government concern. The situation has drawn the attention of State Minister for Northern Uganda, that is Dr. Kenneth Omonda, who called it unacceptable. The third thing you need to know is public road misuse. The blockage road is a vital link for residents and travelers, now inaccessible without private individuals' consent. Now the fourth thing is community impact. The road closure has disrupted transport and access to essential services, especially during the rainy season. The fifth thing is ministerial visit. Dr. Omonda visited the affected area and criticized the illegal occupation of public infrastructure, that is the road. The sixth thing is a promise of action as a minister responsible for regional development. He pledged to follow up with the authorities to resolve this issue. The seventh thing that you need to know is a wider implication. The incident raises broader concerns about the land use, public infrastructure protection, and the enforcement of land rights. Then the last thing, which is number 8, is awaiting resolution. The community is currently awaiting official government action to reclaim and reopen the road for public use. So the question that I leave for you, given the statistic that we gave you earlier, do you think the Balaalo has come back in full force? Another thing is, the president has agreed to chase away the Balaalo, and then Balaalo just came within this week. Is it an indication that there's a game being played against the Acholi people? Then the last question is, do you think this road blockage is not made by a Balaalo member? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.